What's up guys, I'm John from Black Flag Dive Center, and today I'm going to teach you how to analyze a gas mix. There are a few steps involved and we're going to go through them one by one. First things first, this is an oxygen analyzer. Now, it's a scientific instrument, so the first thing that you need to do with this instrument is calibrate it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to our known cylinder of air, ideally a cylinder that never ever sees nitrox, and we're going to calibrate the instrument. With this one, it's a simple button that says Cal. Now it's really important that when you're doing this, the first thing that you do is turn the gas on before you hold the analyzer up to the gas itself. So I've got it going, and I'm going to hold up the analyzer to our known cylinder of air. I'm going to hold down the calibrate button and give it a minute. Now, once it calibrates, it should be reading about 20.9 or 21%. And we know that it's correct because air is about 21% oxygen. Once I'm done with that, my instrument is calibrated. Next, I'm going to move over to my nitrox cylinder that I'm trying to analyze, and once again, I'm going to turn the gas on before I hold the analyzer up to it so that I don't rupture the little sensor that's in here. I'm going to hold it up to it, and I'm going to wait for it to stabilize. This may take a couple of minutes, but as you can see, the number is going up. Wait for it to stop moving. Looks like it's sitting somewhere between 31.7 and 31.8. Great. Now that I've analyzed the gas mix, I need to make sure that I label my cylinder. Okay, I'm gonna put a label on screen so that you can see it a little more clearly, but at a minimum, I wanna make sure that on the cylinder itself, typically on the back of the cylinder, I put the date, the mix, the pressure, the actual O2 analysis, the maximum operating depth, and then I'm gonna initial it because I'm the one that analyzed it. In summary, the steps are: turn on the analyzer, calibrate the analyzer using a known cylinder of air, making sure that the analyzer says 21%. Then move over to your nitrox cylinder, analyze the gas mix, label the cylinder itself, and it's a good idea to go ahead and analyze and then label, and then analyze and then label. Don't analyze a bunch of them in a row and then try and label them. You'll forget which is which. Now, one final step before you leave with the cylinder is you're going to fill out the dive shop's logbook. And this is essentially going to contain all of the same information that's on the back of the cylinder. All right guys, I hope that helped. Join us for more videos. We'll see you next time.